What's up guys, it's Jason from Grill Your Ass Off. I'm here with Pitmaster, Paul. Today we're gonna be cooking 2 different types of burgers. All right, so I'm gonna do a bacon weave wrapped burger patty. So we're gonna stick the patty in between 2 pieces of cheese, wrap it all in bacon. We're gonna top it off with jalapenos, some really good stuff, potentially some hot honey as well. Paul, what are you gonna make?
I am making a very simple bacon cheeseburger, and instead of buns, I'm using 2 glazed donuts.
There you go, so Paul's gonna get his donut hole glazed. So, with that being said, I'm gonna throw my beef patty, jalapenos, and cheese out the way, because I need actual workspace. I'm doing all the hard work today. Paul's just hanging out, not doing anything.
Taking up all my room.
So I'm gonna be laying out some bacon. Probably gonna go 6 strips wide so we make sure we get our meat well and wrapped up because we want protection. All right guys, one of the things you can do, this is really, really good bacon, but as you can see, we have a fat side, we got a skinny side. That is what she said. So you can actually alternate your bacon to make it a little bit more even in the width. I'm gonna go 1 more piece of bacon wide. I'm gonna use up some more Paul's workspace because he ain't doing shit right now. All right, boom. Now that we got that, let's check and see if it is the actual length that we want. We're right there. So to start this, we are going to do every other one. We are just going to peel back and we're gonna lay a piece of bacon across. Paul's actually doing something, getting us our next piece ready. Thank you, Paul. Then the ones that are now like that, we will continue our basket weave. Paul, if you want to lay that across, for you. Get it nice and tight. Yep, nice and tight up in there. Beautiful. So we'll come back down with that right there. Then we will take the alternate versions, continue this weave. Paul, stick it right up in there, get it nice in the crack. Thank you, sir. We obviously have our bacon weave. Now, I am not gonna do any seasonings for the bacon on this side. We're actually gonna season the outside of the bacon, but we are going to season the burger. Paul just put down our cheese for us. Thank you, Paul. Before I put this patty down, Paul, since my hands are all covered in bacon grease, you wanna go ahead and season this up some?
What would you like it seasoned with?
We're actually gonna do it differently today. We're gonna do it with Pop Smoke, taco and fajita seasoning. The reason why we're gonna get some amazing savory saltiness out of this bacon weave right here, then we're gonna top it off with our Infidel Pork Rub, so we're gonna get the brown sugar, so I want a little bit of citrus tang on this thing. Perfect. Awesome. We're gonna lay this burger down on this piece of cheese. We're gonna take our other piece of cheese, smack it right on top, or gently put it there, however you want. We're gonna take our bacon weave, we're gonna pick this thing up and lay it over.
Oh yeah.
Just like so. Now we are gonna have one side that's gonna be fatter than the other. You can cut it, you can do however you want. What's your thoughts on this one, Paul?
I would cut it.
Yep, so
nip off the ends.
We can just cut it right around there. We're gonna go ahead and remove glove for this one. Thank you for that, Paul.
Sharp knife is key.
Very. And you can take this bacon, you top it off because you can never have too much bacon, right?
Save it for breakfast, whatever you want to do with it.
Put it on your wife, you know, whatever makes sense.
Exactly.
If you ain't got a wife, you can put it on your girlfriend, just like, or boyfriend, like our producer behind the camera. Boom. Now, as you can see, our burger is nicely wrapped in bacon. We're gonna top this guy off with our Infidel Pork Rub. You're gonna have some awesome brown sugar chipotle pepper inside of here. It's really gonna bring this bacon to life. Although bacon doesn't really need a whole lot of help, but we're gonna give it some help today. That brown sugar will caramelize on top. Be absolutely amazing. Now, this is good to go. Go jump on the grill. Right. But first, Paul, show us what you're fucking making, guy.
Mine's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna cook the bacon first in the black zone, but I'm gonna season my burgers and let them hang out and get all happy. I use a traditional Ma Deuce Steak Seasoning. Pat her in, flip her over. Let those sweat out and get all happy.
All right guys, we got this thing seasoned up with our Pop Smoke on the inside, Infidel on the outside. We're gonna throw this on the trigger. let this guy roll until it's done. All right, guys, we just got a few more minutes left on our burger. We're gonna take some locally sourced honey that actually has jalapenos infused inside of it. We're gonna top off this to give it a little bit of a glaze and some heat. We got some awesome color going on it. Pop this jar of honey. If you don't have locally sourced honey, go get you some. It's worth it. We're gonna top that off. I'm telling you, it's gonna take this thing to the next level. Oh yeah. All right, we will see y'all in just a few once it's done.
I'm just gonna lay these burgers on. I'm gonna cook them in the bacon fat.
Go here. All right, guys, we just pulled both of our burgers off. Look fucking phenomenal, smells phenomenal, right, Paul?
Looks good.
I'm gonna do one more thing to mine to top it off, because I like some heat. Paul's a little bit, I'll leave that there.
Little heat.
So I'm gonna slice these long ways, so that way we get a nice, beautiful bite of jalapeno with some seeds with every bite throughout this burger. Paul, what are we gonna do? We're gonna swap burgers, right? To try them?
We're gonna halve them and we're gonna try half and half.
Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble mine. Paul, you're doing something different with yours, aren't you?
I'm going just cheese, bacon, and ketchup.
That's that. Let's get these guys assembled.
Now I'm gonna flip the donut over. Your burger's ridiculous.
It doesn't even look like there's a freaking bun on the bottom. All right, you're cut in half. Oh yeah, look at that. It's perfect. Let's swap.
Good. A lot going on though.
You get the sweet from the glaze, a little bit from the ketchup, and then that beefiness from the burger comes out with your bacon.
You like it?
I'd tap it.
Well, let me try it. I like it. It's different.
It's very good. I think we should have gone a little bit thicker on the beef patty. This is the only time I'm ever gonna say it. That's a lot of bacon. Jalapeno's just right. You get that sweetness from the honey, the Infidel, the spiciness from it. The jalapeno hits just right. I'll give it about an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, same with that. The sweet, the saltiness from the meat, the bacon, it's like very even. It's good, worth a try.
Check out full recipe below. We'll see y'all in the next video.